Hello, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you about alter command. In SQL statements, you have created a table structure with the column names and data types and specified the data like spaces like varchar you have a defined 255 and something like another column like float we have defined with the data type and all. In certain later time there is a requirement is changed and you have to modify or alter your table. There is a help with this. There is a command we can call it as alter. Now we will see here there is a command by issuing alter table like this one. Alter table like which table we are going to alteration and by adding the column. If you want to add the column you can use a command. It's an add column, new column and data type which one you want to add. Now we will try to implement this column to adding one more column to this particular table only. Okay, earlier we have created this table. Now see here like alter table, the table name is products1. Products1 add column, the new column is remarks. I am adding simple any one of the column you take it remarks and where care, that where care remarks is 100. That's it. You run this query statement. Now see the query returned successfully. Now we'll run this select command over here. We'll check there the remarks column is also created with the empty value. That is a pretty easy to alter at any time your table. Whereas you have to strongly remember that particular column if data is there, you have to take an appropriate decision to take an alteration where you are changing the data type or some modification of other things. You have to strongly do and perform this type of alterations of that particular table. And similarly, if you want to drop a column from the database, which is not required to have in a table, simply you can use this command like see here, alter table, table name, drop column, column name. That's it. Okay. Remarks only I'll drop here. Let's check it. Products1, drop column and column name is remarks. Yes. Now let's run this query. Yes, query is successfully executed. Select start from products, execute. Here you see here column. No, there is a no more column. Likewise, using rename like alter table, table name, using rename keyword to rename this particular table name. Like old name space new name, name of the column. That's it. And terminate, like use the end of the terminate, the name of the column will be automatically changed to old to new. All right, that is a very pretty easy to alteration of the tables in database by using SQL statements. In similarly, there is a GUI facility is also available here to create at any time. Like the table is here for products is there now. You go with here and check with any modifications if you want to require you do at any time by going to this properties of this particular table and you will see the product of the products one table structure. Everything will be displayed here on columns. Here you can go to create a plus by adding add column. All right, you'll see here. I'll show you. See now remarks again. I am adding the data type character variant. I am taking pretty easy. Nowadays, it's all are very easy to understand and creating all the things. See now, if I save this, the products like a products table, it's created one more column. Press F5, column is here. That much of pretty easy. Modifying columns, creating columns, dropping columns, alteration of the table structures, and all. If the data is available, you have to take in a backup of the table and do this appropriate changes and try to make it as a possible way to safe place. Hope you understand about the alter command. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.